color screen state, some differences in the screen colors seen with the naked eye. Different qualities of flex cable and backlighting processes are not the same. Among them, backlighting is important. Different backlighting displays are a bit different. All four have fast touch sensitivity. Basically, don't need to worry about the problem of touch insensitivity. The original has a warmer color temperature. The others are on the cooler side. The higher the resolution, the clearer the display.